In the aftermath of the tragedy of Karbala, the severed head of Imam Hussain was paraded as a trophy by the forces of Yazid. But amidst the darkness of this brutal act, a profound moment of faith and reflection occurred. As the caravan carrying the sacred head passed through different lands, it eventually reached a Christian monastery. The head of Imam Hussain was placed in the custody of a priest for the night. The priest, sensing something divine, approached the head, and to his astonishment, witnessed a miraculous light emanating from it. Overcome with emotion, the priest asked who this noble person was. Upon learning that this was the head of Imam Hussain, the beloved grandson of the Prophet Muhammad, the priest was deeply moved. He prayed for forgiveness and, according to some accounts, even accepted Islam. This extraordinary encounter serves as a reminder of the universal truth and light that Imam Hussain embodied. Even in martyrdom, his presence touched hearts and transcended barriers of faith.